Me and Stephanie, we visited this prior. You're not supposed to, but we climbed up there. And this is the video footage. The amount of fear. But look at this place up here. You want to go up to? Yeah, that's... If I was an experienced FPV drone pilot and I knew how to fly through buildings, that would be the building. The house over here, gotta go check that out. There's another structure over there, gotta go check that out. There's a couple back there, gotta go check it out. Last night, her and I came here, but it was getting dark.
Get here in the daytime?
That's what I'm saying.
Bright or light? I want you to get that. I want you to get that thing that's way up on that hill.
I did.
It's like an oil rig.
I went around it. Trust me, I want to buy a couple more things to get my drone to go further. I caught that.
Next morning,
I got the experience, and I gone ahead and went with that experience and flew through this. You guys, so dumb.
are you ready to go to the park, Purple? Wow.
What's going on, everybody? So welcome back to the channel. I am in Victor. It is right next to Cripple Creek. A couple months ago we stayed at Cripple Creek KOA. It's at 10,000 feet elevation. It's actually the highest KOA. You guys can see right behind me we have
The Vindicator Valley Trail.
Vindicator Valley Trail. Here's Christine. She's a travel co-worker of mine. This time she's coming along with me. Stephanie's back home, and she actually knows Stephanie. They've actually met when Stephanie was here last time, but we didn't get to come back here, Stephanie and I. So this time I'm going to show you guys some video footage of this Victor, mine, and
Vindicator.
What?
Vindicator?
Yeah, I had trouble last time saying it, but she said it.
Hey.
Well, there it is, you guys. You obviously just seen that Stephanie and I climbed up to the second level. Now, the first opening, we literally bypassed. We just went all the way up to the second, well, top portion. But there's a couple of houses here. This one has security cameras, so just don't get caught climbing this. But I'm gonna go ahead and set a drone up, get you guys some footage. That wasn't anything crazy. I didn't do a full pack, but I just wanted to give you guys footage of the main one that you can see from the street. The things I do for you guys. I climbed up over here, which you're probably not supposed to do. And I think I'm next to another mine shaft that might have been sealed up. But I was thinking it was a good spot to go ahead and set off. That way the drone go way out there. And there's a couple, well, more than a couple spots I want to go ahead and float around. So hold on, I'll change my pack and get in there. So we made our way up a little bit. See how it looks like there's a divot right there? There's one right here too. There's a grate. I don't know if you guys can actually see it. But there's a grate. I want to go check it out so bad. But anyways, there's a cement concrete barrier holding that in. There's no wooden structures or anything here. But I'm gonna make our way up and we're gonna go to the fun part. And you can see the main one back there, that main structure. I want to show you guys that. This is where I want to go ahead and set my drone off. Is this main thing, which I'm not really scared to go through, like the bottom, but anywhere in the top sections I'm scared. The house I'm scared, but I really want to check it out. I know we probably can't get too close, but I might check it out. There's so many old things from the past just still sitting here. That building, gotta go check it out. Alright, now it's recording. I actually might stand right here. No way I can get a signal everywhere. Go through there, but I'm not gonna. There's a railroad track on top. That was nice. We're gonna actually make our way down over there and make our way down there to basically the basement area. Maybe there's a access point down there to see more. So let's go.
But who knows after that? To get all the way up to the top.
A ladder where?
Okay, you see the window right there?
Yeah.
That's a ladder right there on this left side of that window.
You're probably right, but anyways, you guys, she's convincing me, and I'm pretty confident. I think that I could go ahead and fly my drone through there and then whip it around back. Like, I'd have to go in there nice and smoothly, but once I'm in there, I could just go and then whip back around. That way I don't lose signal. I don't know. Either way, I know I can retrieve it because I can walk around the edge, and I'm nervous about this incline, but I probably could. But I'm gonna try, you guys. Wish me luck and stay tuned. If I do, like the video, just like the video. And this is nerve-wracking, you guys. Look at how big this facility is, like, or whatever, mining factory. It's massive. Like definitely worth it. Yeah, I'm not going in that one. I'm not going in that one. The other one that I went with Stephanie, that's another story. good still. Yeah. One bent thing. But I want to see if I can go back through it and go around. Round 2. First one, you guys. Ah, success. Round 3. Alright, I'm gonna do something you're not supposed to be doing. I'm gonna make my way up. Just want to show you guys. Now, if you guys are liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. And watch out for rusty nails when you guys come up here. Look at those things. Massive. That would go right through my foot. So, I am gonna watch my step and make my way over there. Look at that. That's a chain. Like a linked chain. Look at that. It's crazy what Mother Nature can do. And there's slabs to go up into there, but I'm just gonna peek in here. Someone left their hat. So I could get in here, but like I said, I'm not gonna. Wow. This place is nuts. And there's another one down there, you guys. There's a couple down there. They don't look safe either. We're gonna make our way back to that door and just do a peekaboo. You guys, look. There's a shaft down there going straight to that area. That was probably where a bulldozer would go in and grab all that rock. Watch out for that nail. Look at that nail, you guys. There's nothing really in there. A sorting table maybe. And those, instead of metal, they use wood to drop all that stuff down into there. Do you guys hear that? the wind is creaking something. But that plank is nerve-wracking, you guys. If you guys come up here and you want to go in there and shit like that, use another plank, double that stuff up. Like that's an old chute right up there, you guys. So they must have dropped it from like the roof or something. I don't know. But like everything that I'm standing on is probably stuff that has been mined from down there. I'm out of here, you guys. I'm gonna climb back up. Maybe I'll get another pack going. That way I give you guys an outro. Whipping around, so. Alright, we're gonna make our way, you guys, back to where we were sitting, where I was flying my drone. But we're gonna go in this house real quick. Yeah, they boarded it up. Well, they didn't board it up, they used metal mesh. This porch doesn't look like it's sturdy, but there are Christmas light power and stuff. I don't know why or how they would do that. Why? Look, oh my god.
Yeah, that's pretty
Nothing like earlier.
sturdier.
Nothing like earlier when we went in onto that bridge. That gorge.
Yeah, it's like shiplap.
Wow, look at those
Look at that
floorboards.
old wallpaper.
Wow. That is old.
Like logs.
So they sealed this up. There's probably asbestos in there, you guys. So
Yeah.
if you guys come up here, definitely don't do anything stupid. Look, you can get down in the basement.
Cellar.
Don't climb in there, you guys. Stupid. Yeah, I would not go in there, dude. There's probably like coyotes, squirrels, raccoons, raccoons. And I don't even know if there's raccoons around here. But is this not cool or what? Look at this. This is like drone heaven right here. She rocketed up there. I was really surprised. With sandals. With sandals. Flip and flop.